All right, this is the last video for the day, I promise, because I know I'm dropping them, but I'm just trying to, as situations happen, I feel like it can help somebody. I just like record, post. So I took the battery to Advanced Auto, AutoZone, O'Reilly's. Like a lot of these places, they'll do a free battery check. So I took a battery in to get it tested, and it tested bad like I thought it was, because like I said, it just don't have enough voltage to turn over. So come to find out, it is her battery. All right, you guys come with me so we can put this thing in there. So let's get this popping. I'm sleepy. I tell you, my sister better be lucky I love her, because I would be asleep right now instead of fixing her car. So yeah, I love you, sister. I hope you seeing this. All right, come on, y'all. Let's do this real quick. Let's do this for my sister and for a sister, a sister. So let me get this. See, I'm about to rotate my tires tomorrow. Rotate my tires. When you rotate your tires, you pretty much got to get your torque wrench. And then a lot of times, most studs or most lug nuts are from 17 millimeter. Like you got 17 millimeter, 19 millimeter, 21. Every random, especially when you got rims, might be a 22. So you just gotta see which car your car take as far as socket size. But I think my car is a 19 millimeter. So when I say millimeter, I mean sockets, because I already got to put the socket on the screw to unloosen it. And anytime you put a socket back on a tire, when you take it off, you gotta torque it to a specified torque. And I know from working at Nissan, that Altima's is like an 80-pound torque. So, all right, let's get this thing out. Matter of fact, let me put my gloves on. The wild thing is I just got my damn nails and feet done, and I'm sitting here working on the car after I just got my damn nails done. Baby, look, I love you, sister. Yeah, let's get this shit popping. All right, so Toyota Camry, her socket size is a size 10. So you can either use, most likely I would recommend using a wrench. So you just position your battery into place, and then you just put it in. You can leave the protective shield on there. Of course, it protects it from things like dust, dirt. So let's take all the rubber stuff off. As far as taking off the terminals, you want to take off the negative first, and then the positive. And when you put it back on, you want to put the positive back on first, and then put the negative on. So, ass like an auto 540. Fuck him out of here. Light up. Shame on you when you step. Shame on you. Shame on you when you step. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so that's tight. And you just put the negative one on. All right, so that's all right, y'all. As y'all see, the car is running. So let me show y'all. Let's turn it on. Yes, it was the battery. So obviously we clipping it together. So this is my end result. You put your little grease on there with your little protectors. This is an aftermarket battery, so the mount wouldn't go on, but it's not gonna move. So it's pretty much in there. Sometimes when you put aftermarket parts on your car, you have to probably buy aftermarket mounts for it, because it's not going to go on, with the OE original part. So you probably have to switch it up. But I don't think that this is going to go nowhere, especially once I close the hood. So, yep. All right, sister. She's straight now. Good to go. I forgot to tell y'all the strokes too. But let me tell y'all the strokes real quick before I get off here. Like there's 4 different strokes, you know, that makes an engine run. And you have one, I guess 4 ones. So you got the power stroke, which is your battery. You know, your battery powers the starter to get power to get ignition and turn the engine. Then you got your intake stroke, which is where your air filter is. It pulls in air to enter into the engine. And then you got your fuel stroke. Well, I believe it's called. All right, you got your power stroke, which is the battery, intake, fuel, and then you got your exhaust. Fuel, of course, is mixed with the air, which pushes the piston up and down. That's how it turns your drivetrain from your transmission. That's how you get your wheels to roll. And then, last but not least, you got the exhaust. The exhaust is when it finishes mixing the fuel and air mixture together, and it leaves out the exhaust valve, and then it starts the cycle all over again. So that's how the engine runs. You know, that's how the engine is running. Like it's a 4-stroke system. So, all right, y'all. I'm about to get off here and go to sleep because my sister is tired. Yeah. That's probably why I failed the test, because my dumb ass was tired. So, I ain't going to be hard on myself. But